Hello everyone. Today we learn about how to solve ABB TK 504 and TK 503 programming cable driver installation time errors. When you try to install these programming cable drivers in Windows 10 or 11 operating system, then you face this error. Because Windows 10 and 11 have a Windows security function to block unknown publisher applications. So here we show you how to solve this error and install ABB TK 504 and 503 programming cable drivers in Windows 11. OK. Now run the command prompt as administrative access. Type the above command and press enter to run this command. Now here you see the command is completed successfully. Then log off the current user system. Then you can see a new administrator account is shown. Now open this account. Now simply run the ABB PLC programming cable driver software. Now simply run the ABB PLC programming cable driver software. Now programming cable driver installation is started. After installation, log off the administrator account and open the existing account. You can observe ABB TK 503 and 504 cable drivers successfully installed. Now run again command prompt as administrative access. Type the above command. Now administrator account is successfully disabled. Now run the ABB PLC through TK 503 and 504 programming cables.